In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the puzzle at Birth Island so that you're able to get Deoxys. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make your way here, and you want to go ahead and select on the triangle in the center. And basically, the way this puzzle works is that you need to take the minimal amount of steps in order to reach the triangle and select on it. So you never want to go in circles or anything like that, or start wandering off in different directions, because otherwise that is not going to work and it is going to restart the puzzle for you. So anyways, let me go ahead and show you how to actually complete it. So now you want to go to the left, go down, select on it, then you want to go over here, and then go up, click on it, you want to go down, then click on it right here. Then for this one in particular, you want to go up. So go up right over here, then go to the left, then you want to select on it one more time, then you want to go right here, scroll down, then you want to go down here, then walk to the left, then go to the right. And again, I am really trying not to cut this video so that you're able to see exactly what you need to do. And then you want to go to the left one more time, select on it, and then finally go directly upwards just like this. And that is going to go ahead and complete the puzzle for you. And now you should see that Deoxys is going to spawn in. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.